Building your own custom AI agent requires years of coding experience? Think again. Welcome to the low-code revolution. Join me, Nana, on the ultimate non-techies journey, taking you straight from a simple concept to full deployment. In this complete video course, we'll master the foundations, craft your agent's unique persona, and unlock advanced brainpower. We'll even use secret shortcuts to get you up and running in minutes. By the end, you won't just have a chatbot, you'll have a superhero AI ready to serve your users. Don't get left behind. Stop dreaming and start building. Watch the full course right now. Welcome to the non-techie guide to building AI agents. Join the low-code revolution. First, we must lay the foundation within the Microsoft Power Platform using environments and solutions. Think of environments as your digital real estate, distinct spaces used to build in development, check your work and test, and go live in production. Solutions are like moving boxes or suitcases used to package your agent and its parts so they can be moved easily. Why do environments matter? Because your autonomous agent needs to talk to other services like Dataverse or Power Automate. If they reside in the same environment, they can shake hands and connect successfully. If they are in different environments, they cannot talk and the data is isolated. Finally, solutions are the mechanism for moving between these rooms. You package your agent, data, and flows in the development environment, get the suitcase ready to move, and deploy it directly to production without needing to rebuild anything. It is efficient and scalable. We are here to help build your agent's DNA through configuration. This route gives you granular control over exactly how your agent behaves. First, we start by setting the voice and identity. You make a vital, one-time choice for the primary language. Then you give it a clear name, like IT Support Pro, and choose a recognizable icon so users instantly know its purpose. Next, we move to the power of instructions. Think of these as the rules of engagement. You decide the tone. Should it be professional or maybe talk like a pirate? You define the scope by setting off-limits topics to keep it focused, and you determine exactly when it should stop trying to help and offer a human support ticket instead. Finally, you must ground it in knowledge, essentially giving it a brain. By pointing it to trusted sources like a live website or a SharePoint site, the generative AI provides verified answers based only on that info. This stops it from hallucinating or making things up. Now your agent is ready to serve. Welcome to the advanced brainpower section of our guide. I'm here to help you fine-tune your AI colleague's cognitive abilities by managing its settings. First, let's look at enabling deep reasoning. This setting allows your agent to use advanced models to think through complex, multi-step problems. However, a big warning here. It consumes resources at a higher rate, so you must use it sparingly. You trigger this capability simply by telling the agent to reason within your instructions. Next up are multilingual capabilities. In a global world, you need more than one language. You can add secondary languages in the settings, and the agent will automatically detect the user's language, like hola or bonjour, and respond appropriately. The best part? No manual translation is needed. Finally, we have response formatting. This lets you create a global style guide. You can ensure the agent will always use bullet points, or perhaps bold every product name. The AI then follows your specific style guide for every answer it generates. Let's make sure your agent makes a great first impression. When someone opens your agent, the very first thing they see is the greeting. The problem is the default greeting in Copilot Studio is generic and robotic. It's a maker-facing message that just feels unprofessional. To fix this, we need to understand system topics. These are built-in behaviors, like pre-written scripts. The conversation start script runs the exact moment a user enters the chat. You need to customize this. Navigate to the Topics menu, select System, and open the canvas. Here, change the text to match your unique brand voice. And here is a pro tip to give it a professional feel. Be human. Use variables like inserting the agent's name automatically, and sprinkle in some emojis to make the greeting warm and welcoming right from the start. You don't always have to start with a blank page when building an agent. Microsoft gives us 2 great shortcuts to speed things up and get running in minutes. On the left, we have agent templates. Think of these as blueprints. They come pre-filled with descriptions, instructions, and placeholder connections. For example, with a website Q&A template, you simply swap out the placeholder URL for your own site. Just note that you still need your own credentials for any services it connects to, like ServiceNow, to make the plumbing work. On the right are managed agents. These are the plug-and-play options, complete solutions for specific tasks, like a wellness check agent. You install them directly into your environment. They often rely on other apps like Teams or Dataverse. Once installed, you just authenticate the connections and they are ready to deploy immediately. Let's summarize your amazing journey from zero to AI hero. We started by laying the foundations, using environments to organize your work and solutions to move it safely. Next, we tackled configuration, crafting your agent's unique persona with voice, identity, and precise instructions. We boosted its brain power using advanced settings for deep reasoning and multilingual skills, and ensured a perfect first impression with a customized greeting. Finally, we unlocked speed to value using shortcuts like blueprints and plug-and-play managed agents. Congratulations! You now have a fully deployed AI agent ready to serve your users.